Original.
Hey! It worked! I did it!
Unbelievable.
Hope they don't know the password.
Me too, but they'll be after us again soon. We've already got the dinosaur card, so let's just find a way to get out of this place.
Yeah, I think we should go back home and tell your dad where the Alpha Gang's hideout is.
We can tell him that over the dino holder. Come on, guys, this is our big chance. Now that we're here, we can finally learn the true identity of the Alpha Gang, right?
Why don't we save that for next time?
By the time we come back here, they could have left this place and gone somewhere else. Plus, this might not be their only hideout, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
Not only that, remember they took that whole card folio full of cards from us? While we're here, we could get all those cards back again.
All right.
Besides, the longer this goes on, the longer I can put off scrubbing toilets.
What's so funny, Max?
Nothing.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on,
Useless pile of junk. That's not how you get into a secret entryway. You need a password to open it. Open sashimi.
No, Ursula. I remember it. Open salami.
No. It was open salami sandwich.
That's ridiculous. Who would come up with a dumb password like that?
Obviously someone who likes a nice sandwich, though they could have added some cheese.
So you're telling me salami with Swiss is the password?
Maybe, but I like provolone better than Swiss.
It's not open salami or open sesame or open pastrami or...
I knew it was a deli meat.
All right, get off of your robotic rear ends and catch those kids and don't stop! So maybe when it comes to droids, I should choose my words more carefully.
We would all appreciate that.
searching, searching, searching.
I can't believe those brats guessed the password. That's just baloney.
I thought it was pastrami.
Coast is clear.
Then let's report in.
You're where? Alpha Gang's headquarters?
But we're okay. We'll get out of here and head home as soon as we complete our mission.
Are you out of your mind? It's way too dangerous! Come home now!
Dr. Taylor, the frequency is jammed.
We can't reach them? Oh, that's not good.
I've intercepted a signal coming from here on the island.
Good. Track it. Where's the source?
We got cut off.
That could mean they picked it up and now they're jamming us. Turn it off! Quick, Max, before they trace it to us!
We lost the signal.
Curses! I want those pesky intruders located! Where's Ursula and those two bozos? Haven't they found anything yet?
They're with the Alpha droids somewhere in the basement, Grandpa.
I should have known better than to send them in the first place! What kind of mad scientist am I if I can't get rid of intruders in my own secret lair?
Don't worry. I think I've got just the thing that'll lure them out into the open for you.
Ah, that's my boy!
There's nobody here. Now let's hurry and find a way out of here before those two guys and that old lady...
I heard that, you ankle biters! Who do you think you're calling old?
Just run!
This way!
Open up, you little monsters!
Wow, you sure are quick when you're insulted.
You must have really been something when you were younger.
What's that supposed to mean? Open this door!
Whoa, that was really
I'm
close.
sorry, guys. I guess I really need to watch what I'm saying. I'll try not to use the words old lady.
I heard that! You said it again!
What's with that old lady anyway?
Just wait till I get my hands on you!
There's some kind of slide back here.
Let's take it! Where are we?
Hey, there's someone here.
They left this room a filthy mess! What kind of manners is Dr. Z teaching them?
Who's that old lady? Yeah? Huh?
All the time I am telling them if the cards are so important, put them away! But do they listen? Ah, it's like I am talking to a tree stump!
Paris, no! Paris, come back here!
Zoe, wait!
Stop right there, believe that.
Paris, where are you going? Which way?
The direction of that sound.
But which way is it coming from? I can't tell.
I can't either.
Listen, it sounds like the cry of a dinosaur. Hey, Chomp, wait up!
No, Max. We've got no choice. After them, Ace. Zoe!
The sound of a Parasaurolophus calling one of its own, and they all came.
What a brilliant idea, Rod! Huh? Excellent work! You're not getting away.
Have it your way, then! Go! Dino Slash! Go, Parasaurolophus! Boom!
Zoe! Oh no! Ace, we've got to find another door!
Paris is in a battle! Chomp, wait! Hey, it's you again! You're the Styracosaurus we found in Hawaii! We were hoping we'd get to see you again! What's going on? Chomp and I are your friends, don't you remember?
He's no friend of yours. He's our friend now. Did you really think you could just saunter into our headquarters and not pay the price? Go and finish him off, Terry!
Come on, Chomp, we're gonna have to fight him! Dino Slash! Go, Triceratops! Roar! That's it, Chomp! Good! Hey, let go of me! Come in!
Engage, Shockwave!
Oh no, Paris! Are you alright?
Now you've seen the strength of my alpha dinosaurs!
Max! Where are you? Max! Here we go, Ace! We gotta help Chomp! Dino Slash! Carnotaurus, blow them away! It's Terry! Max!
Don't do it! If you care about your friends, that is.
Sorry, Rex.
They got you too?
Hey, let me...
Dr. Z is speaking!
Hello, Rex. Thanks for dropping by. You're just in time to watch as we do away with your Carnotaurus.
Nice!
Now for the finishing touch! Volcano burst!
now?